In this short session, I'm going to show you how the leaderboard works within the report section. I'm in self-paced, and if you notice over here, we have 3 different instructor-led sessions that were played at 3 different times. Now, if you want to look at the results per session, click on the details and go to participants, and you'll see a breakdown of not only how they scored overall, but also what they scored in points. And points can have a lot of variables like bonus points, and if you have a timer on and you're reducing points. So that's up to you what you want to choose. If you want to see an accumulation of multiple different sessions, which I have 3 I've played here, just click on any of the titles here. That'll take you to this page where you just see all the sessions played under this name. If you go over and look at Score Report, click on View, you will now notice down here at the bottom, we see all the scores from all the sessions for the leaderboard. So this is a summary of all the sessions together. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.